In this video, I'm going to show you formula to convert your month name into month number. So we need to use this formula equal then month. Now select this month formula suggestion. Now type here date and this time select the date value. Now select, in our case it's A2. So where appear January, select that cell then end. Now give the serial number 1 for January and closing bracket double time. Now press enter. Now drag and drop this formula to apply this all. So now we have successfully quickly converted month into month number. If you change here, if you make changes here like Feb, so it will appear as a number. Thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.